Hi, this is Kevin with KG Jam on my third video for All Solutions Network. Today's date is August 15th, 21. I'm not sure how I'm going to label these videos. I'm just probably going to do it one, two, three type setup, and instead of labeling it by category, I don't know yet. Whichever ones I think will work better. The site that I've been saying in the first two videos, it's 120 something. I think it's 23 or 126 pages that are all pretty much as filled in like this. So what I'm going to do at the beginning of each video is start on the members page. This is the page that pops up when you log in. Okay, you'll get a little square box. You'll log in to put your credentials, put them in, and boom, this is where everybody comes. And then I'm going to probably all the time take you to my home page. Okay. And that's right here. It says your ASN homepage. Now you got a way to make this pop up whenever you just turn your computer on. I didn't want to do that. It's suggested by them, but I prefer to do it this way. That's just me. This is also the page where you get your downline. You click on that and it'll generate it for you. So today's video, I'm going to talk about how I got this program on automatic pilot. Uh, since I joined in December and didn't do anything till January. And then when I found out that it takes, at that time, it was 4 months. It's now 3 months to get paid. I didn't want to, and there's also other stuff that I wanted to do. So I found this way on how to make this automatic pilot. So I did that. I did it this way, and pretty much have not touched this site since until now, until August. So I'm just getting back into it. Um, I did set up a lot of banners and backlinks and stuff that I've been getting signups on, and then I've had a really good downline, a real busy downline that's done a really good. So I've got about 350 members signed up underneath me. Um, but pretty much I did nothing else. I didn't even come study the site. So let's go to the ASN homepage, or I've already got that pulled up. And this is what your homepage will look like, except it will be embedded with, let me see if I can get this centered. There we go. Except it's going to have your name and embed it with your ID. Uh, on the homepage, the right here is this every Thursday night at 9 o'clock Eastern time. You call this phone number, and there's an access code that you'll be putting in, and everybody gets together, and the owner, Bruce Castro. I keep calling him different names. I called him Campbell, I think, last night, but it's Bruce Castro. He's there sometimes, if not, Kevin's uh, directing things. But everybody gets together. You ask all the questions you want. You talk to other people, and pick their brains on how they use this site to make money. And so if you can make it, that'd be nice. I'm going to be there this Thursday. I'm going to try to record it and then put it online. So if you miss it, you could just go to YouTube and listen to it. So anyway, to get to where we're going, you go to the members page, then you go to your uh, right to this page, your home page, and where it says earning points. Okay, point methods. Click on that, and that's going to take you to this. And the top of the page will look like this. I got to do it this way, otherwise, it's just going to, until you get familiar with the site, it's going to be really hard to find stuff. So after you do that, you come to this page. For some reason, he did not number the pages because that would probably be the easiest way to tell you. But for whatever the reason, you come down to here. Now, I found this uh, uh, in January when I was trying to figure it out how to make some points, because you have to make 1 point a month to qualify for any monies that's owed. The 1 point will activate your site to be eligible for any of the monies that's due to you. And then the other video I showed you, the easiest way is just do Walmart. Just do the Walmart thing. You can do free quotes and get points that way. And most things are going to give you more than 1 point. So it's very easy to get the 1 point. The secret is the more points, the better. Okay. So let me leave it at that for right this second. So you come down here, and I love sites that have autopilot systems. World Profit's got one called the Fast Builder or Fast Start or something like that, and you pay a certain amount of money a month, and they do all the recruiting for you. And they World Profit actually uses your website that's on World Profit to promote to, and they even list the sites they promoted on. And I've been very happy with that one. But I got about 5 sites that have automatic programs like that, and I joined up on all of them because it frees me up to go do a lot of other stuff. And that's where I was at with this program. And here it is right here. I found it down here in the right hand bottom corner, and it's called the maintenance program. Okay, and they've got 2 different ones, but each one has 2 different prices. And the most expensive one gets you 15 points every month, and it's $30 if you do it for 1 month only. But if you sign up to do it every month, it's $24.95. So that's what I did. I'm every month. I don't got to worry about my 1 point. I was getting my a total of 15 points, which qualified me for the Fast Start sharing bonus, the Eagle bonus, and the group bonus overrides, and mentor bonus, and 10 my 10 the group bonus overrides on your 10 levels. Now I've only got 3 levels, so I that really doesn't help me at this point, but it will once I get fourth. I start getting 4th level, 5th level. So to get my 4th level, I just need some 3rd level guys to start recruiting. And that's another thing. Since August or since January till now, I've neglected my downline by not communicating with them, not motivating them, not sending them, once a week emails on how to, uh, you know, like what I'm doing now, showing them. And probably would have been a lot better results if I did. So anyway, so it's $24.95 every month. You get 15 points. It's on autopilot. You don't have to come to the site and try to make points. I didn't. And then you can just concentrate on your downline, which I didn't even do that. I let the other guys build my downline because I was busy doing other stuff. The next one they got, it's only $10 for the one if you just do it one time, and you get 4 points. If you do it monthly, it's $8.95, but you only get 4 points. But that's enough to activate your account plus some extra, and you never have to worry then about not getting that 1 point. So if you're owed any money for that month, you qualify to get it. So if you made 4 points in your downline, once you build it up, makes 1,000. All that money that you got coming to you because you've got the maintenance program, you automatically get the points. Boom, you get paid. Now that's pretty much it on how I put it on automatic pilot. Now my strategy going forward is I'm going to keep this and plus learn how to make uh, as much points as I can personally. And I still got my downline points coming, so I'll work on my downline. And my record points, I think, was my first month in January, but I didn't get paid till April because it's was 4 months behind. And once you get paid your first time, then you get paid every month, and that's forever as long as you get your 1 point a month and don't opt out or quit the site. But it doesn't cost any money. You just have to have the 1 point. This money, if you spend it, it's just for the automatic maintenance program. Okay, and it's the only thing on the site where you pay that to get you the automatic points. But it's you can get your points for free. And I'll have another video as I learn how to get points. I'll make a video on each way, because the one I showed on my first videos or second video is Walmart. You just go to Walmart. Well, watch the video, and it's very easy. Um, and you'll make a lot of points with the Walmart because you get a point for every $50 you spend. So if you're spending $500 a month at Walmart, you run it through it, bam, you got 10 points right there. So I'm going to do both. I'm going to keep the $24.95 maintenance option, and then I'm going to get as many points myself, and then I'll get points from my downline, and that's it. That's pretty much it. One more thing I want to show you. Well, let me show you this real quick. Just a real side note on the commissions. You collect points that gets turned into money, but on these programs, you get cash and points. That's you get commission. Okay, and that's home loans, mortgage reductions, bankruptcy, credit repair, and charity assistance. And this is what you can make in commission once it closes, and then they pay you like 3 to 7 days afterwards. Okay, so if it's a Tuesday, by Friday you might have the check, depending on how fast it closed. And for a home loan, you also get 40 points. And the way each one of these, they have you can advertise with banners or email. You can solo emails, and once they click on whatever advertisement it is that you put out there, you're done, because the advertisement takes them right to the home loan people. They're not bothering you. They're just connecting. You're just advertising, connect them to the home loan pump, and they do all the work. And if they seal the deal, then you get a commission for doing that. Okay. Now, if somebody just makes an inquiry, you get an email from ASN. I showed that to you in the last video, and store that email and keep an eye on that. And I've had one of those. Again, I wasn't even promoting home loans. Somebody on my site clicked on it, and it never went through. The guy just probably checked, and then he either didn't qualify or he just went elsewhere. I don't know. But you don't have to do anything once they click on that button and go to that wherever that site is. Okay. So that's what the commissions. I'll be doing a video when I get more familiar with it. I pretty much have almost taught you everything I know about this site. But as I learn it, I'll make more videos and share that with you. So the last thing I want to show you is on the first month. Now you can also do the hosting. That's another video. But the site maintenance, there's two ways to get this, or you can do both. So just forget about the ASN hosting right now. I'll talk about that in another video. The first month that you sign up for this or that, they triple your points for just that month. It's like an incentive if you want to do the maintenance thing. That's whether you sign up for just the 1 month or recurring. So if you get or double, well, hold on. I thought it says triple. Up to an additional, okay, that maxes out at 15 points. So when I did it my month, I got 15 points automatically that I get every month. But for that month, they doubled it. And they would have tripled it, but it maxes out at 15 points. I didn't realize that. So I got 30 points for your first month. And so that's a little thing they got going. But that's it. You can see how much stuff is. I could go on. I could talk all night. And there's 123, 26 pages like this. So what I'm trying to do is keep it simple, and you know how to get to these pages if you're interested in reading it yourself. And that's it. I'm going to shut down. If you haven't joined and you're interested, The link is down below in the descriptions. Um, and That's about it. If you want, subscribe and like. So I'm going to try to put out one of these a day, or one every time I understand a little bit more about the site. I'm going to put a video out. The next one is going to be commissions. Okay. So anyway, thank you for watching, and have a nice night.